So today, it's Saturday. It's January the 24th. Today is supposed to be when the snowstorm starts. The sun is shining, y'all. The sun is shining, so I don't know. Yesterday I said that I was gonna go and stock up on things. When I went to Walmart, it was just so crowded, so many people. I was just like, no, I'll come back later. I never went back. So today I'm gonna try to go out and just get some things for dinner. I'm not gonna be out here trying to splurge, whole fear tactic type of thing. Now, I might have to eat my words, but as of right now, at 9 o'clock in the morning, the sun is shining. So, but yeah, y'all, so we're gonna start our day. I already took a shower. I put back on my night clothes because there's some cleaning that I wanna do. I wanna get the baby dressed, so when he gets dressed and I feed him, then I'll go ahead and get dressed. But yeah, but other than that, we're starting off the morning really, really good. I do want to go and find some shelves because I want to be able to see all of my filming equipment, like my tripods, my charger, cameras, batteries, my SD cards. Like, I want to be able to see that stuff. Looking for like wall shelf, nothing on the floor. Baby is in everything, literally. I need something that's high up, probably with like 3 or 4 shelves where I can put my Osmo up there, Sony, stack up my tripods. I want to make filming easier. I just want to be more organized with my space. Y'all, I do not know what I want to eat. It's like the same foods you eat every single day. I had salmon, I had chicken, baked chicken breasts. I don't know what to eat. Yo, it's the same thing. And then I was thinking maybe I should do like something with Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. We did have salmon last night, so it's not gonna be salmon Alfredo. I don't know. It might be chicken Alfredo. We haven't had chicken Alfredo in a minute. So, I don't know, y'all. But we're gonna head out today. It's 9 o'clock. It's sunny. I feel so good, y'all. I might go to Target. This boy done took my tripod out. This is why I need shelving, you know. Almost 2 years ago, I was able to decorate my house how I wanted. Now I gotta baby-proof everything, y'all. Now when I buy things, I gotta consider a baby door that it doesn't have sharp corners. There's no harsh edges on things, stacked high. I can't have my cute candles on the table. Like, this is, oh, so much. But anyway, so we're gonna get ready to head out. I'm gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna start our day. I'm starting my day with at least a 15 to 20 minute workout because I'm doing the same routines every single day. Working on lower body, squats, leg lifts. That's all I've been doing, and I'm building muscle in my legs. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, right here I'm getting my curves back. So yeah, y'all, I actually go in my closet. This boy here, any sudden movement, he wakes up. Yes, you do. Yes, always calling me. He's always calling me. Okay, guys, so I did a slight beat. I just put some blush on. I did just put some bronzer on, some blush, some mascara on. We're almost ready to go. It's 9:53 right now. I want to show y'all the products that I got from Walmart. This is the blush that I'm wearing. NYX Professional Makeup Buttermelt Blush. You know butter. Oh, that's cute. Butter blush. You know better. I put that up here. I don't know how I feel about it. It has like a shimmer to it. Yeah, it has gold shimmer in it, like a highlight. You can see the highlight right here. You see? This is my first one that I got. I'm gonna go back and get different shades. Go something that's more pigment, like a lighter pink. Just tried this color on today. And then I went in with my contour palette. Look at me act like I'm a daggone makeup person. And I'm totally not, y'all. I just wanted to try something different today. So I used this right here and did some contouring around my face. I didn't do the contouring with it. I don't know why I didn't, but so I just went in with this one, that all around the outer parts of my face, underneath my chin. And then I went in with this mascara right here. This is the e.l.f. Big Mood. Put that on. But that is today's look. We're going to put our glasses on. And then we're ready to go, y'all. I'm gonna do something to this hair. Alright. Alright, so I am in here trying to find some drink. There's a lot of people in here right now.
On your name.
So right now it is, it's 11:57. I just went and hit three stores? I hit 3 stores. I went to the Amish market, Acme, the seafood stores. I still gotta stop to Family Dollar and get some paper plates and some more drinks. Right now we're at Chipotle. We're getting some bowls. And then I gotta go to the farmer's market and I gotta get me some greens. Hopefully they have fresh greens there because that's the last thing that I have to get. I got some turkey wings. I got some chicken wings. Turkey wings, chicken wings, fresh flounder, shrimp. Then I got the things to make the sides. Oh my God, that girl is, oh, her name, I remember her. Wow. Oh my gosh. To see people that you went to school with, y'all. A lot of people look like life has happened. People just let themselves go. They just be letting themselves go, y'all. But right now we are in front of Chipotle. We're gonna try to get something to eat. Well, we're not gonna try. We're getting something to eat from Chipotle's right now. I also gotta get him something to eat. Probably gonna stop and get him some fries. So yeah, y'all, we are almost done for the day. It is cloudy out. It is cloudy and it's freezing. It's literally freezing right now. But I don't know. They said the snow is supposed to come later on tonight, early morning tomorrow. So we shall see. I think we're good to go far as groceries. We're good. But yeah, y'all, we are doing good with timing. And I think my makeup turned out really, really cute. Oh, Sherry, I got you some raisins. I'm gonna get them to give you some raisins when they get in the car, okay? I got you some snacks here. I got you some snacks. Hello? Paper towels? You said what? We just left Acme. Yeah. Yes, I got you some Pringles.
Let me go get a for you.
Mine's or yours?
Yes,
so this is
I
mine.
got tomatoes on mine. You don't. Cause I don't know.
I didn't say tomatoes.
Okay,
either,
nor
so.
did you got corn.
Oh, I wanted corn.
You didn't say that on there.
I forgot all about corn.
Nor did they have any spring sauce, Mom, that I seen. It was only red and it was mild. Mild or spicy.
I thought I was getting more packages today. I got this bamboo pillow top from the TikTok shop. Let me see if I can find it. So it's a bamboo cooling mattress topper for back pain relief, thick fitted sheet. It looks like this. Super soft, and I got it because the mattress that I have, I need a protective layer over top of it because with this damn little boy here, he stays spilling stuff. I wanted to put something over top of it so it can protect my actual mattress. And it's something I can pull off and wash. Right now I just have a plain white mattress. I gotta keep scrubbing and cleaning it that I can take off and wash. I'm gonna unbox that. I am tired, y'all. I'm not really exhausted, but I am sleepy. I'm sleepy, so I'm gonna turn on some music. I don't know if I got some things that I need to open up. And while I'm in the mood, I may as well go ahead and just keep the day going, you know? So I do got something that I made from Canva. I made I made this off of Canva, y'all, and got it printed. I gotta put it in a frame. Oh, it's damaged. This is how it came. I kept it in the box too long, and now it's really crumpled. It's creased up. I made this off of Canva. It is my own YouTube flag. I'm supposed to put it in the frame. I'm gonna see if I can go to Family Dollar and see if they got a frame like this. If not, I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and get a frame. But yeah, this is how it looks. I made my own YouTube plaque because we're all about manifesting, you guys. Manifesting my first 1,000 subscribers. I put this in a frame, hang it over top of my desk. I made my vision board already for this year. We have been consistent with showing up behind the scenes. It's not about what everybody else is doing. It's not about getting on camera and faking it. No, I'm really doing the hard work behind the scenes. So when I get on camera, it's really my life. Not forcing anything. It's really coming natural to me. So I made sure that I put the work in silence so that way it can speak loud when I present it to you guys. Since the beginning of January, no, really since my birthday, I've really been on a path of intention. I've been very intentional with what I've been eating. I've just been very intentional since my birthday, making sure that I pour into myself. Ever since I stopped breastfeeding, y'all, I was able to dedicate a lot of energy to myself. I have more energy than I had in the last 16 months. Breastfeeding is draining, y'all, and I'm doing it for a whole 16 months. Since I have stopped, my skin is clear, energy is high. I'm able to get up every morning and eat breakfast, because before I was pregnant, even while I was pregnant, I was fasting. Like, I would only eat 1 or 2 meals a day, really 1 meal a day, and I wasn't eating red meat or anything like that. I have dibbled and dabbled in red meat. They say to eat based off your blood type. My midwife told me the same thing, was saying that that was something that I need to incorporate. I was anemic and I had low iron, all of that type of stuff. So I said, all right, let me just try to dibble and dabble in it. So yeah, I do got a lot of things that I gotta unpack, y'all. Gosh, so much that I gotta do. I've been consistent with my routines. I've been creating new habits. And this go around, I said what I wanted to do is build my connection with source, whatever source means to you. So let me start reading the Bible just so I can get my own outlook on it, and then we go from there, you know, and wherever that leads us, it leads us. But at least I can say I've read it, I came to this conclusion, and this is what I'm going to do moving forward. I did go out and purchase me a really cute Bible from the TikTok shop. And I also got like a study guide that helps you day by day, week by week, with different parts of the Bible where you get to take your notes, or to put down your thoughts. It gives you question and answer, and it helps you build up your thought process around what you're learning. You're not just reading it, you're actually learning what you're reading, and you get to apply it to your real life. So I think that's really going to help as well. And I had to go out and purchase me another computer, y'all. Get me a computer. I had to get me a laptop. That way I'm able to move around, you know, so I can edit, at least edit on the go. Because this baby here, every time I sit at this desk, he follows me every single time.